Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry for that cutoff. Just had to delete something. Let's see what else I got here. Ooh, there's another electronic siren there. From Federal Signal, awesome. We got Federal Signal and everything here. All right. Let's see what the heck is over on this aisle. Excuse me, everybody. Oh, there's old bell. Hey, there's another fire bell. Very nice. There's some more bells. Very nice. And that's a big sprinkler bell. He doesn't have a wife. There you go. It's a Federal Signal that's tight. I could tell this is tight, it's not loose. That really bites. Too bad I don't have any money, and I bet they cost a lot.
Guy's a captain.
Alright, let's see what else I got. Oh my gosh, pull stations. A coach, pull station, that's pretty nice. Local fire alarm. I could tell that it costs a lot. That's what all fire alarm enthusiasts do. They just pull it down and then... Oh my god, look at that! It's another fire alarm. That's a very old one. Look, there's a little horn in it. Guess what happens? You just pull it and then... the horn sounds.
Being serious.
Nope, there's no sirens here. Maybe we'll be lucky over here. Nope. Nope, no sirens over there. I'm just wondering if I could find my favorite fire chief.
Got him?
Wow, got some more fire engines. Excuse me, sir. Oh, look at that. It's a Chevrolet. What the heck? The heck? There's no chassis. It's just wheels and a body.
Those are from like the 40s. The issue with these is here. You see how the post?
Yes.
A lot of times the kids crash the hoods down.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Well, I own a collection of Hot Wheels actually. I'm just looking.
All right. Yeah. Look.
There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Ah, they got Hot Wheels. Corvette. Hey, what do we have here? It's a little car. Got some more fire engines over here.
Yeah. So yeah. As far as the fire trucks, the matchboxes, I know all these things, buddy.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, Mattel, Mr. Mattel.
Yeah.
He owns all these companies now. That's why you see the castings bleeding over.
Alright. Well, look at this. We have another fire engine. From Thornwood. There's another Federal Model Q siren right here. Oh, look at that. Old fire trucks. There's a cute. Oh. He's a cutie. Alright. Hey guys, I came across this. It's another siren, or not siren, fire alarm. Another coded fire alarm. Just pull it down. Fire alarm does call fire department. So I guess this is hooked up to a fire alarm bell. Look at this little roadster. That's kind of cool. The engine doesn't open, or the hood doesn't open. Oh well. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's why you shouldn't touch stuff, Noah. That is exactly why you shouldn't touch stuff. Well, don't do it. Ooh, megaphone. There's another coded pull station. You just, once again, pull it down. And it sounds. There's a, oh wait, is that a horn or is that a telescope? I guess that's, I don't know. There's another fire alarm light. Box alarm. Once again, you just open it and then it sounds a Gamewell diaphone horn. Hey, wonder if you can look inside. Oh, would you look at that? This is what you call old classic, ladies and gentlemen. Well, let's keep looking at all the fire trucks, huh? Alright, let's keep looking. And we'll look at those fire engines later, if we can. After all, I think this camera, or my phone, has 30 minutes. For Hot Wheels. I'm here just to look at the trucks and see if they have sirens. And once again, that's exactly why I should bring money. Wow, that is just awesome. Chevrolet. Ooh, another fire truck. There's a siren. 47. There's the bell, see if I can ring it. Yep. Whoa! Okay. Ow, I got stung. Thought I got stung by a bee or a wasp. It's a Bonneville! Oh man, that's just awesome. It's just like Ghostbusters. I have never, ladies and gentlemen, I have never seen anything like this before. Chief Bowen and everybody has got to check all this out. Memory of Wayne Fowler. Well, look at this. Chevrolet. I don't know if this is a Imperial, no, not Imperial, Caprice or Impala. I can't find the siren on here. I guess it's built in those little lights there. Or it's probably in here somewhere. They replaced the little siren with the Federal Model Q.
You went out with this out there? Or just personally? You mean?
No,
Yeah, he had
it
another.
was another fire truck.
Oh, okay.
They have Federal sign and signal.
Oh no, we was sold. We went to
What do we have here? Wow. Another fire engine. One with another Federal Model Q siren. Oh, I got some hose action over there. Alright, there's something going on over there. So let's go check it out. Actually, let's go right over there, ladies and gentlemen, and check these fire engines out. From top to bottom. Here we go. I think, yeah, that's a Pierce. Hey, Farmington. I know that one. Isn't that from... Oh, that's from Egg Harbor Township. I thought that's the one with the ACA Screamer and diaphone horn. Or Model 7 and diaphone horn. There's a Big Mac siren. I got a feeling we're gonna hear some sirens at the end. Wow. There is some beautiful fire engines here. That must be a Federal sign and signal Model Q there. Alright, let's see what else there is. Come on.
Oh my god.
It's a little bit back. It is a little bit back.
Whoa! Hey! Look at that! A Sereno! These sirens are very rare. A Sereno, ladies and gentlemen. We have found a Sereno. Alright, see what else there is here. Wow, some blue fire trucks.
But they look like they could be.
He's the same color in the front.
What's this? Is that a Model D?
We'll put it in the lobby, but you're never going
That's a... what is this? Oh, it's a twin blast siren. Oh, jeez. I thought I would see some Federal Model D or Federal Model A. Oh, what's that? Is that another siren? Nope, that's a light. There's the siren. There's a 48. Looks like a 48 International. Not quite sure. Where's the siren? I guess it's built in. Yeah. I can't see the siren. Oh well. Maybe it's under here. Can't find it.
Tim, Augustoni, and who's the other one?
Oh wow. This one has a Q. We looked at that. What? Wow, look at this one. This is a 1922 American LaFrance. There's the siren. Got some old fire cannons. I think this is all the modern fire engines. This was vintage. This is very vintage. They used wood back in the day. Alright. Now, let's go back here and check out all the other fire engines. Alright, let's see what... Wow, more fire engines. There's one right there. Yo, what's happening?
What's going on, buddy?
Nothing much.
How you doing?
Alright, just looking around.
Yeah?
Yep.
Cool. I was going to text you. I said there's a bunch of sirens for sale over there.
Yeah, I know. I didn't bring any money.
Ah, shooting another YouTube video?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. You see our truck over here?
Oh, is Chief Bowen there?
No, not from Bridgeton, from East Milan.
Oh, okay. Well, wait, where is your truck? Oh, is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Very nice one. Wow, they got some pretty awesome stuff here. Union Fire Company. Thing's beautiful. Alright, well, yep. There we go. Let's see what this one has. See if it has any siren. Oh, look at this. It's a GMC, but where's the siren? Huh, I guess the siren's inside. Well, I guess that's all there is. It's probably all the fire trucks that's there. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for... Oh, wait. We're not done yet. One more. There's still a few over there. You know what? We'll come back later. Ladies and gentlemen, I just messed up. Yeah, I'll be back. Just met up with one of my favorite firefighters from Bridgeton. Oh my God, is that a Model... Is that a Model D? Nope, that's another twin blast siren. This one here has 8 ports. Come on, I want to find a Model D. At least a Model D. That's all. Just a Model D. What do we have over here, ladies and gents? Another Ford.